everyone, hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube, hello money friends. Welcome back to a new video here with me, Dunk, on Dunk's Money. Guys, I hope you are holding on to the edge of your seats because this is probably the riskiest trade I have ever made. So today we're going to talk about Nikola Corporation. You've maybe heard of them. If not, let me tell you something. Yesterday, 3rd of June 2020, they listed on the NASDAQ, and they've just listed. So Nikola Corporation have just partnered up with Vecto IQ. Sorry, looking at my notes there, so I get it all right for you. Vecto IQ to create Nikola Corporation, who are now listed on the NASDAQ. Now let me tell you a little bit of information about Nikola Corp. So Nikola Corp are an American hybrid truck producing company. So what they try to do is they're building these trucks which are hybrid, so they're electric and hydrogen trucks. And if you want to, guys, if you have some time, go and have a look on Google Images or whatever and look at pictures of their vehicles. They do look very, very smart. Now they're based in Phoenix in Arizona, and they were founded in 2014 by their CEO, who is billionaire Trevor Milton. And they do appear to be very, very innovative and engineering. It just seems quite class, to be honest with you. But no, go and have a look at the vehicles. They're pretty smart. They expect to start construction of these electric sort of hybrid hydrogen trucks in 2021, and they expect to be able to build 35 to 50,000 trucks a year by 2023. And some analysts have said that they are destined to become the biggest the biggest builders of hydrogen vehicles in the world. And apparently they will have a hydrogen network which will cover the entire world. They're hoping to have that within the next few years. So yeah, yesterday Nikola and Vecto IQ came together, now on the NASDAQ, and the reason they listed was to raise about $700 million to basically speed up production of the vehicles, of these electric / hydrogen vehicles. And the thing that really excited me is they currently have pre-orders already from big established trucking firms in America. They've got pre-orders of up to $10 billion in potential revenue, which is just insane. To think these companies have taken, they've actually taken that leap, and they've given them that sort of money towards putting orders in with Nikola. I just think that's incredible. And yeah, as I've said, they're anticipated to become the largest hydrogen network in the world, which is really cool. I just when I saw them there, I thought, well, they've listed yesterday, and their current share price roughly is about $34 a share, right? And I'm watching it and I'm reading all this information about them. And you can have a look at it too, guys. Read all about Nikola. They're so innovative, and to have $10 billion of orders already, in my head, all I could think of was Tesla. And when Tesla first launched and they were $17 a share, and I thought, well, I regret this if I don't buy into it. They haven't even got a price to earnings ratio as yet, or earnings per share. They've just listed yesterday in the NASDAQ, and I've taken a big risk here. But let's jump into the app, and you can watch me buying some shares in Nikola Corp now. Hello everyone, welcome back into the Trading 212 app. Here today with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money. Now today I'm going to buy Nikola Corporation. I'm not going to buy Nikola herself, no. I'm going to buy Nikola Corporation stock. Nikola have just joined the NASDAQ, I think yesterday, 3rd of June 2020. So I'm quite interested in buying into Nikola, as they're hoping to develop sort of cars that will compete with Tesla. It's interesting to see how they get on. And I believe that this flotation here on the NASDAQ is to help them fund a state-of-the-art new sort of engineering facility to build their cars. So I've only got a little bit of money left in my free funds, so I'm just going to buy into it. Why not? I like buying into new stock like this that's just come out. It's very innovative. Right, I think I'll maybe afford 3. Oh no, I can't even get 3. Flipping egg. What can I get? I'll just buy 2 then. 55. No, surely I can afford. No. 2.72. I'll only have to go for a refraction and let's see how that works. No. 2.48, we'll try that. Sorry guys. Right, so it's £60.24. 2.48 shares in Nikola Corp. Let's go for it. Should come through pretty quick as the market is open. Hopefully. Let's wait and see. Could this be the next Tesla? Who knows? It's pending. Let's wait and see what happens with that. Does look interesting though. Right, we'll leave that in pending, and I'll update you as to what the price is when it comes in. So as you saw there guys, I bought shares in Nikola Corp. But wait for it, you won't believe this. I bought those shares and about 5 minutes later, after reading some more information and looking at more, I thought, nah, Tesla just kept coming to my mind. They are due to be a big competitor with Tesla, and I thought, if this Nikola Corp becomes similar to the next Tesla, I don't want to be kicking myself thinking, oh, I wish I'd bought more. So let's jump back in the app and you can watch me buy even more shares. Am I nuts? Let's go in. Well guys, welcome back into the Trading 212 app today, 4th of June 2020, with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money. So I just recently purchased 2.48 shares in Nikola, which is Nikola Corporation, who are seen to be maybe a competitor with Tesla. And I've actually decided that, you know what, I've not put enough money. I'm deciding with this one I'm going to buy in some more. I only had about £90, whatever, in my free funds at the time that I bought this, so I decided that actually I'm going to buy more. So I'm going to buy some more. Let's see what I can get. Right, we'll go for £600 in, so 22 shares, see if that works. We'll go for 20 then. 20 shares at 546. Review order. Free of commission, 546. 20 shares. Should come through hopefully quite quick. Right, done. I just don't want to miss out on something good here. That's why I've decided to go in and buy some more. But guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and don't take this as any instruction that you should buy into it. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Okay, let's go back to Duncan. So to all there everyone, I have bought more shares. So currently I'm sitting at 22.48. 0.48, I hate that. Anyway, I've got 22.48 shares in Nikola Corp, an average price of £27 a share, or $34 in the USA, coming to a total of £620. Now I feel really excited about Nikola, so we'll see what happens with it. They just look very innovative, and everything I'm reading is really positive. And the fact they've already got these pre-orders with some large established trucking sort of companies, I think that's brilliant. Yeah, exciting. So I'll hold on to it. We'll see what happens. I checked it there. I'm already up £6 within 10 minutes, but obviously we're always with the long term normally, guys. So I'm not going to get carried away there. But yeah, let's see what happens. If you have got Nikola stock, let me know what you think. And pretty smart. Actually, I'll tell you what, why don't we jump in the app right now and let's see what the stock is doing right now. So it's only been about 20 minutes. Let's have a look. Hey guys, welcome back in. Let's have a quick look at where we are. Oh, Right, so I'm down minus £3.90. Oh, minus £3. Right, that's okay. This is what happens. I have taken a big risk here. Am I being stupid? Maybe I am, but I've just got a very good feeling about Nikola Corp. Let's have a quick look at the charts here. So if we look over a 3-month period. Now, I'm not too sure how they have figures from March. I think they must have released sort of like their shares in March where you could have bought in then, and they've only just gone public yesterday. But no, I'm quite happy. We'll see what happens with it. I've bought it at 30. What did I buy it? I bought it at $34 a share. So we'll see what happens. I mean, you can see there, even today it was up to $36, and it's come down. That checkered line's what I've bought at. So I'm happy to leave it. It's coming back up, so it's minus £2.36 now. So it's fluctuating all the time. I think if this was to have a beta number, it would probably be quite high. Beta being the volatility of the stock. But no, that's cool. Let's jump back into the real world now. So as you saw there, guys, obviously it's come down minus, but then even during that short video, it's come back up. So it's very volatile. And as I've said, if it had a beta score, it would probably be quite high. Beta being obviously the volatility of the stock. Guys, if you have got this stock, please comment below. Please let me know what you think and why you bought it. Maybe I've been stupid doing this. I've broken all my rules, but it's a gut feeling, and we get gut feelings, don't we? I had a gut feeling about Aston Martin, and that seemed to have worked out a wee bit. So I'll leave that. We'll see how it goes. Remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel. You'll get all my videos as they come out. And please like the video if you think that I've done the right thing here. But no, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. And stay safe and enjoy trading. See you later. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. And please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money. So should you.